Hello and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. Today we have another unboxing and it comes to us from Diamond Art Club. So let's turn it over and see an idea. So for starters, we know it's a round because it has the pink stripe. And we'll turn it over, and as normal it has the round circle on it, and which clearly indicates round diamonds. The kit I have today, see if we can get that in. So we have Free Like a Bird by JoJo's Arts. It's, again, like I said, it's a round diamond. It's 67 centimetres by 47 centimetres. And if you were to do that in inches, the size is 26.4 inches by 18.5 inches. So let's take this out of the box and have a look. So we get the round toolkit, which in your round toolkit, I'm not going to get it out because we all know what's in the round toolkit from Diamond Art Club at this point. It's you have your applicator, which is your diamond painting pen, a comfort grip or a squidgy, 2 plates of wax, the drill tray and a 4-placer. So let's get the rest out of the box. Right. Comes in its protective plastic bag, which will protect it from any dust or dirt until you're ready to use it. So slide that out like that. Let's roll this out. So we've got our diamond painting step-by-step guide. You get these in all your Diamond Art Club kits. If you open it up, it gives you your 9-step instructions of how to diamond paint, and it will come with 10% off your next purchase. You don't need that. The older kits, but with the newer ones you normally do. So you have a little sticker like this, which will give you the name of the painting, the artist, and a small print of the image. With this, you can either put in your logbook, which would be like for your works in progress. So you could just stick that in your book, put the date you started it, date you ended it, and any other details that you wanted to note down. Or if you don't have a logbook or don't do that, you could put it on the sidey box here. You could have followed in frame, yeah. So you could put it on your sidey box, or you could put it on the end. So depending where you store them and how you would stack your diamond paintings, having it either on the side or on the end would allow you to easily identify which painting it is. Then we have our schematic or inventory sheet. Again, this is sticker paper. You have a bigger print of the image. So let's get this around the... So it's the lion on the cliff with wings, which is a really beautiful image. How it reminded me of the Lion King really drew me to it. The Lion King, when it first came out, I think was it like 94 or 96, somewhere around then. It was like one of the first films I remember going to the cinema to see, so it really did bring back memories for me. So again, it will give you the details of it's a round, it's 67 by 47 centimetres, and in this kit we have 29 colours. What you can do with these sheets is when you kit up, you can cut all these 8 individually and put them on your containers to show you which image you have, not what image, what the symbol is, should have said, and your DMC number. So put those to one side a minute, and we can, don't know where that came from. We can have a look at the canvas up close. So we can have a look at the symbols. Yeah, so as we can see, just make sure there's not a glare. You can see how clear the symbols are. They're not blurry, so we haven't got that problem. Let's have a look around here. So again, up in the sky. Again, our symbols are nice and clear. You have, with Diamond Art Club's kits, you do get 2 legends, one on the bottom here, which is your bottom right corner, and you have another one on your top right. So let's have a look at the colours themselves. So here we are, these are the colours we've got for this kit. So we have a lot of tans and yellows and blues. How many ABs does this kit have? So with Diamond Art Club, anything under 150 is an AB, and in this kit we just have the 1, which is your 125. AB, if you don't know, stands for Aurora Borealis, which is an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills to make them sparkle that much brighter. So I'm not going to get them out the mix because they're a pain to get back in, but here we go. Give you a close look. There we are. So we've got those tans and blues, got a bit of teal green, teal bluey green. It is mainly made up of shades of blue, this painting, and different colours of tan, or you could say a tanny orange. So it's those. This one here is your AB. Ones you can't see by looking at it like this are just these ones here, which are your varying shades of like a toffee colour, and then your different shades of terracotta. Today we are going to be kitting up Free Like a Bird by JoJo's Art from Diamond Art Club, and give you a close up of the image. So yeah, I said you have the majestic lion on the edge of the rock face looking out, surveying his land at night, and he has the ethereal wings that's glowing, and you've got a few little birds in the image as well. I'm interested to see in how much detail they come out once the painting's completed. And you can see the moon glowing, and you've got the stars through this top, which I'm assuming is going to be the AB in this kit, which is 125. So it will be interesting to see as the painting comes together. With Free Like a Bird, we have 29 colours. So let's get started getting up Free Like a Bird. So if you've liked what you've seen today, then please do give it a like. And also consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. So hit the subscribe button down below, be down here. It's the red subscribe button, and then next to it, there'll be a bell icon. If you click on that, it will give you a notification of when I upload a new video. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.